Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru. Mada Tsukaeru is Japanese meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. I've been working on 2003 Toyota Rav4 and AC system. AC doesn't work if I hit the AC button, the AC lamp blinks. So according to the manual, there are 4 possibilities of the cause. 1, compressor itself, and 2, drive belt, 3, compressor lock sensor, and 4, heater control assembly. And first I thought the lock sensor, because that compressor was replaced 5 years ago. And I thought the clutch is not working, and that's why the lock sensor doesn't really sense the compressor is working. And I replaced the clutch, but it didn't solve the problem. So I decided to replace the compressor this time. So I'm gonna work on that. These are what I got: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and seals, and the compressor oils. So first I'm gonna check the pressure of the system. So this is a low pressure side. And open it, and there's no pressure. So the AC hasn't been working for a while, so this makes sense. So I'm gonna remove the fan belt. So this is the passenger side of the motor, and this is the fan belt. There's a hex bolt around here that should be turned clockwise to loosen the belt. So I'm gonna use 19mm socket with long arm to loosen the belt. Okay, now it's loose. And I'm gonna replace the fan belt anyway, so I'm gonna take the older fan belt. There we go. So the AC compressor is under this alternator, and also the condenser is this one here. So I'm gonna take off this panel, and hopefully I can reach the condenser without removing the alternator. But let's see how it goes. So this guy has, I think this pin is screwed up. 2 pins, 3 pins, and top 5 screws. Okay, this is out. So I have to remove these push pins. I got a push pin opener. Okay, that's good. This looks wild. I like it. Here are the connectors. Another connector here. I think I'm gonna just reuse this. Just pop this out and replace it. It's not a big deal. Unfortunately, the compressor is down there. I can remove I think I'll try to remove the tire and then remove the cover. Then I can access the compressor. Now the tire is removed, and unscrew these guys and then take off the cover, and I can access the compressor. Okay, so this is the compressor. I think I'm gonna remove this fan so that I can reach the fitting of the compressor. And remove this guy. Okay, three screws, take this off. Up. Wow. Good. So now I have, I think, enough space to disconnect. I disconnected the connector, AC connector, and fitting this one and this line, and hopefully I can remove the compressor. Okay, section line, 12 millimeter. Okay. Okay. First bolt, second bolt. I'm gonna go down there. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Ta-da. Okay. So I drained the oil from the compressor, new compressor, and I'm gonna add the new oil. It looks like this oil already has a dye, so I don't think we need this or not. We need to, reflash the oil. But anyways, I'll just put this guy, and my refrigerant has a dye anyway, so I think it should be fine. Comparing two compressors, the new one is larger. I hope this is gonna fit. At least the screw position looks fine. If you compare the pulley is definitely larger. I hope this is gonna fit. So I cannot remove this guy, this tiny screw. Tiny screw is weird. It's same threads as this, but head is really small to fit this guy. So I'm gonna drill the hole to secure the part. Okay, we got a new compressor and the O-ring. Again, this is O-ring seal, so it shouldn't be that super tight. Okay. So this is the comparison of the new compressor and the old compressor, but I actually replaced the clutch and pulley recently, and I found the original pulley that is actually larger than the pulley that is attached to the old one. So if I compare the original pulley to the new compressor, it's same size. So this should fit. And this, I don't know why this clutch, the new clutch set had a smaller pulley, but this was wrong and this is right. So it should fit. Okay, all set, and I put the connector. Okay. Okay, put back the hose. Okay, hoses are connected. Here we go. Sweet. Okay. All right. Now compressor is replaced, condenser is replaced, all lines are connected, fan belt is on, so I'm gonna put back all the other components together.